How to turn off quiz sound effects on your Cake application. Hello everyone, welcome back in this video where we talk today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first you need to open your Cake application like this. After this, come here to your profile page. Open your profile page like this, and the next step you need to open your settings. Right now on settings, scroll down this screen, you will find here quiz settings and quiz sound effects. As you see it's able, you will disable it by clicking here and that's it. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.